Okay, dear students, we'll start the class. I hope you know this is the last class in online for your semester. Mm. Hereafter, we are going to see you physically and ready to have a live interaction. Now you are enjoying online platform. You are sleeping, dancing, huh? But suddenly you will see the set and suddenly you will escape. Mm. So this is the last chance for you to do this type of activity, like our friends Sam, mm, Hussein, they are all doing like that. Jojin's friend. Monday onwards, you are going to meet. We'll see. So we have already completed the 3 units. Fourth unit, I am giving to give the introduction, and fifth unit is from the R programming. I think Bala sir already taught you in the R programming. Anyhow, he will come for one class and he'll make some introduction and have a brief touch about the R programming. But everything is available in LMS. That is the brief introduction for the third and fourth unit. So today we are going to start with the introduction for insurance. When you are coming to class, physical class, we will discuss the some of the analytical part of the insurance, how these insurance are moving. Okay, that is today's agenda. Let us start with the concept and background of insurance analytics with the news. After that, we'll go to the entire topic. Okay. I hope you might have read one interesting news just a day back. Of course, 28th January. There's one news which has been moving in almost all the WhatsApp group. Even I have shared, that is the news from the Business Wire. One of the organization, that is I think some of you know, Clara, it continues to display industry leadership and innovation with latest offering in claim life cycle. See that news. In insurance, claim is very important thing. Of course, all the insurance companies are getting nice premium. Their main income source is premium, but their main expenses is also related to claim. How they are estimating the claim, it is purely based upon the probability. Once upon a time, my faculty used to taught me in statistics one concept called Poisson distribution. Anybody knows what is that Poisson distribution? Come on. What is Poisson distribution in statistics? What happened? No answer. Pranita, Shubhashri. Yes, Pranita, you are going to.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me something. What is that Poisson distribution?
Sir, it's like the average number of times a particular event can occur in an interval, sir.
Okay, good. Nitya answered 79.2% correctly. Hmm. Any other answer? Subhashri answer. Huh? Shruti answer. What happened?
Same only, sir, what Nitya said. It is a discrete probability
Uh,
distribution of the number of events occurring in a given time period.
okay, good. Hmm. By this time, you might have Googled and you have to tell me what you can see. If I ask to Sam, what Sam will do, immediately he will Google it and tell me. Hmm. Like you have to learn from Sam such type of smart working. Good. Anyhow, inside the classroom, you can't tell like all those things. I appreciate the answer given by Nitya, Subhashri, everybody. But usually, this Poisson distribution is used to for an application side. Say, for example, the probability of an accident in a road. In case of Bangalore Indian Express Junction, I think you know about the Indian Express Junction. Once upon a time, it was very famous because five roads are joining there. What is the probability of an accident in Indian Express? Indian Express means a place in Bangalore. I think everybody knows. Huh? Do you know that Indian Express?
Yes, sir.
Good. Once we used to uh, teach everything with the help of that one. What is the probability of occurring an accident? For that purpose, we will use the Poisson distribution. Normal distribution means we can't use because the occurrence of the normal distribution is evenly held. Inside the classroom, your marks will come under the normal distribution. But in Poisson, it is not like that. The probability of occurring an accident, very rare case, because every day there won't be any accident. Accidents will happen occasionally. That is the concept. When it comes into insurance, these fellows, Clara Analytics, one of the very good analytics company in US, of course, back-end process, everything is going in Bangalore only. Think somebody is telling about JB Morgan. In JB Morgan, they are doing the back-end process for this Clara Analytics. These Clara Analytics are using Poisson distribution to estimate about the claim. Claim means when the accident will happen, when some unwanted incident will happen. By that time, insurance company should come forward and they have to help. That is the core concept of insurance. And this organization is very good in analytics in insurance. And you can see now they are considered as the industry leader. And they are running the three types: Clara Treggage, Clara Treatment, Clara Litigation. I will share that news because this is the core thing you must know for this news. If you've gone through this news, yes, I'm sharing the screen. Yes, are you able to see the news now? What, Nitya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now you can see in this news, this organization is now going to be the leader in insurance. Even you, everybody must know this thing. In finance, insurance is very essential. Without insurance, now we are not doing anything because, especially in case of COVID pandemic, insurance companies were worrying. Even now, US companies are suffering because of this COVID. Because in case of US and European countries, most of the medical expenses are claimed by the insurance claim. They call it as Mediclaim. It is mandatory there. So yeah, if they are going to hospital, they will claim back. So anybody has been affected by COVID, if they are admitted in hospital for minimum one day, the insurance claim they can get. Same thing. That is why the insurance business is quite high. And very important thing is they are getting a premium, a fixed income. Whereas the expenses are occasional expenses. That is the matching of insurance expenses and income in analytics. So what this company is doing, it is with the help of artificial intelligence technology, they created a nice type of insurance product. You know about that one. Let us see Clara to Gauge. I'm opening that one. Yes, you can see that one. It will estimate your claim yearly and take action to avoid litigation. They created a nice concept. They branded is Clara Trigage. Based upon this Clara Trigage analytics, what they will do, they will identify the claims and to reduce the claim, to mitigate the expenses, what they are doing, immediately they are taking care of that one. Simple thing. Let us assume Hussein and our Sam is fighting together. Hmm? Suddenly, because of the fight, Sam came out of the room and going to somewhere else for meditation with around 280 kilometers per hour. He assumed like that. It is highly impossible. But Sam decided to move out of Hussein because of a small quarrel. Of course, they are nice friends. But due to this quarrel, Sam is going by a minimum 280 kilometers per hour. That means he's jumping out. Do you know the meaning of 280 kilometers jargon? It is one jargon especially used in Oceania countries, especially in Australia and New Zealand. 280 kilometers speed means somebody is jumping down. So in our example, Sam is jumping down. So if Sam is jumping down, what Hussein should do, and his roommates are also there, Joseph is also there as a roommate, immediately they should come forward and they have to take care of Sam. Of course, there may be a small a accidental one, is a leg problem will be there. They have to come out. That is the mitigation. They have to reduce the mitigation. Immediately, if they are taken the Sam to hospital, maybe because of leg injury, the cost will be less. That is called mitigation in insurance. We have to reduce the risk. If Sam and Jacob is not ready to mitigate, sorry, Hussein and Jacob are not ready to mitigate Sam, what will happen? Sam will be laying in the road and somebody will come. Till then, Sam is shouting. It takes another 2 hours to recover from the leg pain and going to hospital. Hospital will charge huge amount. So what this Clara Trigage is doing, they created a nice app, and this app is used to identify when the incident is coming. If our Sam is using that app, immediately, if Hussein or even Sam or Jacob is dialing to emergency to anybody, either police department or to the medical emergency, this app will start functioning. Like what for girls, they have created a new app by the government. This app will work only if Sam clicks the emergency. In his Sam mobile phone, there will be an emergency number. Emergency number may be 101 or 100 like that. These numbers will be stored. If Sam or Sam friend is dialing 100, immediately the message will go to this Clara Trigage. Very nice thing. Immediately what they will show, oh, Sam is in some problem. Immediately the litigation department of the Clara will take care of that one. Immediately they will take what happened. Immediately they will try to contact Sam. If any requirements are essential, they will take the Sam and they will make everything, and they will take the Sam to hospital. Sam need not worry about Hussein or Jacob. That is the thing happening. That is the role of Trigage, a nice analytics created by this Clara. It is not working in Bangalore, so don't worry. In Bangalore, those who are doing the backend process for JP Morgan, they knows that one. And one of our alumni is trying to create an app like that for an insurance company in Bangalore. If it works well, it will be good. See that one. This is the method of litigation. So this app will identify the sum and medical expenses will be given. treatment will also be given. Sam will get recovery immediately. That is how this insurance company used to mitigate. That is a very nice analytics introduced by the Clara. You must know that one before going to our topic. Then Clara treatment is there. And you know, it's some treatment, I think. Why in our college it is not opening? Yes, some issues are there. Mm. Like in case of the Clara treatment, of course, this page is not opening here. Mm. Clara treatment is another interesting thing. If anything went on well in our example, SAM treatment, the Clara will identify and connect with a different app like our Practo app in Bangalore. Do you know what is that Practo app? Anybody is using Practo? Why no response? Yasin, Jojin,
Yes, sir.
do you know that Practo app? Practo.
No, sir.
No. Who is fully in Bangalore? Bangalore people know. Practo app is nothing but to connect with the medical people. If you want, say for example, Jojin is in the room, suddenly he needs a treatment. So what Jojin will do? Instead of he wishes to know who are all the medical doctors available nearby his room. So if Jojin is having a Practo app, Jojin will search in the Practo app and identify the medical treatment available nearby him in Bangalore so that he can fix the appointment through that app. He can get the treatment immediately. It is designed exclusively for Bangalore and now they have extended to Pune, Chennai also. Practo app. You must know, you are all MBA students, you know. You must know. So that is the use of Practo app in Bangalore. Same thing. In case of Clara treatment, in case of three countries, they introduced the Clara treatment. In that app, if anything went on well, immediately it will get the report from the concerned hospital through the online mode and it will connect with the different medical treatments and immediately it will give the solution also where you can get this treatment. In case of Sam, it is small leg injury. Even then, Sam is to have a 150% treatment because he had to make some show with Jacob and Hussein. And he used to once again shout against Hussein, only because of you I fell down with 280 kilometer speed. So Sam needs some nice treatment. Immediately he will go for scan X-ray, even though it is not essential. He will make because he has already insured. To reduce these type of unwanted expenses, what Clara did means, Clara is app, the treatment app is very nice. If you use that one, they will identify the best doctor and this doctor will ask question and based upon that the treatment for Sam will begin. That is the new system introduced by the Clara. Even you can, if you are visiting US, you can download that one. Even if you visit European countries, you can see the Clara app. Somebody, if you have visited the European countries, mm, the travel agent may insist to use the Clara app because you will get the insurance for traveling through that one only. Your traveler will insist when you are getting down in Frankfurt, they will ask you to use that app. Anybody use that app? Anybody travel to European countries frequently? Not Gulf countries. Gulf countries, it is not there. Insurance is not mandatory. Of course, for getting the visa, it is mandatory. But when you are traveling to different places, it is not mandatory. Nobody. Why you are still thinking about Bangalore? You have to think globally. think globally, act locally. Me and Nelson sir, when we went to Turkey, no, they use that app. Even though the as per the regulation that app is not mandatory, but in case of Turkey, they demand that whether you are using the app as a traveler from any Asian countries, you have to use. If anything happens, immediately they will come to rescue us. I wish to check with Nelson sir whether we both are traveling in one boat. A treatment in Istanbul, nearby Istanbul, very good island was there. In that island, only hospitals, everything are located. So we wish to check for a fun basis. When we were traveling in those country, 000 is for emergency. We doesn't know that one. For dialing to India, I press zero. It is not working. So three times I pressed 000 came. Immediately that app started working, and immediately somebody called and they located our GPS, everything, and immediately uh, we know that different type of messages are coming. Are you safe? Which what happened? Whether it is medical treatment you need or any emergency treatment you need or what went wrong. Suddenly you can see that one. That is the advantage. Then we were having doubt. We closed all those things. Then we asked our travel agent, why this thing? Sir, you might have dialed 000. Oh, then only I realized, in case of from Turkey, I used to dial to India, but unfortunately, I made a mistake by dialing 000. These are all the things you must know, which has been connected with the different app. As an analytics students, you have to think. That is also from Clara. Later on, only we know how this insurance company has been linked. See that one. That is the treatment. They used to give a treatment and immediately they used to reduce the cost. Another one is Clara MSP compliance standards, legal standards. In case of death or anything, somebody died. Let us assume that some ex died, maybe your close friend, Georgian close friend in 1942. You remember that in 1942, a Georgian friend with an age of 120 died. Of course, having a good insurance. So, as per his will, Georgian has to receive a huge amount because that person is having 150 years old, he was having a nice land and property. So he also insured, of course, with huge premium. So once he died, the entire amount goes to Georgian. So Georgian was very satisfied because that 150 years old person died. So Georgian wished to get the claim amount. So what he will do? Georgian has to get the death certificate of that 150-year-old person. Then he has to mention that it happened normally. If it happened by third person, it is not considered for the claim. We are going to discuss that one also. So what Georgian will do? Georgian needs a death certificate of that person. And another thing that the death was a normal one, natural one. Even though the person age is 150, he needs all that one. So what Georgian will do, he will go for the Clara compliance. This compliance is linked with the government portal. Now, in case of India also, you can get death certificate, all the certificates in online mode. Same thing. This compliance will linked with all the government agencies. When Georgian wished to get the insurance claim because of a death of 150-year-old person, he will use his social security number. In case of India, we are having the Aadhaar number. Like Aadhaar number, in US, they are having the SSN. SSN means social security number. Once Georgian entered in that app, Clara app, the person who died, immediately it will get the death certificate from the government agency, provided the death has been recorded by the person, by somebody, or even Georgian. Georgian first will make entry, so it will go to the concerned legal department, compliance department. They will enter that this person died and his body has been cremated or buried in such a cemetery. All these things will come. And what is the amount of claim? Everything will come to Georgian phone. Once he is satisfied, immediately within 2 minutes, the entire claim amount Georgian will receive. That is the compliance standards created by the Clara. A nice thing, but it is linked with the government agencies. Why I am telling before going to the topic, dear students, now the insurance is moving in a different direction. Each and every stage, there is need for analytics. In our example, we have discussed Clara compliance, then Clara treatment, then triggage. There are a number of things like that. All these things they introduced nicely. That is why I wish to tell, not as a news, even as a case study for insurance analytics. As a students of insurance analytics, you must know all those things. That is why the Clara Analytics ranks number one in case of insurance. That is the innovation. How the innovations are coming. Dear students, this is the basic thing. Recently, it has been ranked number one, and they created a claim life cycle, and they used to call it as a new product. See that one, how they are taking the insurance to the new stage. These are all the basic things you must know from the insurance analytics. Okay. So in this unit, when you are studying, you have to focus like that only. You have to give importance for whatever you are studying. Your aim is to create a nice insurance based upon these type of analytics. You are able to create everything. That's what we expect. Okay. So that is the background of the insurance analytics. Okay. Let us move on to the second part. So based upon that, you can see even in case of the Clara, they mentioned that easy to use artificial intelligence. Even to reduce the claim cost, they have introduced nicely. Mm. Based upon that, we are moving towards the what is the basic concept in insurance. I think some of you have studied the principles of insurance. Let us recall before going to the analytics. I already clearly mentioned what type of analytics in insurance is going on now, especially with related to claim. Very important thing. We discussed that how this Clara is predicting the event with the help of Poisson distribution. When the accident will come, immediately what we have to take. It has been linked with the traffic police department, everything. Even if in case of, I came to know when we were in Frankfurt, the accident in German roads are very less. If any accident happens, the traffic department or anybody will take the social security number of the public and they will enter in the mobile. Immediately the ambulance will come. Immediately it will inform to the uh, traffic department, the research department of traffic, to how to avoid this type of accident. Immediately it goes to the mediclaim department. Immediately it will goes to the manufacturer of the vehicle also. If you are using a high end vehicle, it depends upon you, the vehicle manufacturer also. All these things immediately it will go, and they will immediately analyze, and they will track you the geo systems. And if you need insurance, immediately you will get it. All are interconnected. That's what we expect in smart cities to come. Bangalore has been listed, but still we are waiting. A nice smart city network connected with insurance. It is available in Frankfurt when we are visiting that one. As an insurance students, you are able to predict all those things. Predictable analytics is very, very essential. When we can predict the claim, when we have to predict the premium, what we are going to discuss. So basic thing, you must know what is an insurance. Let us see from the conceptual background, what is the meaning of insurance. I hope you know. You have studied in principles of insurance. There is it is simply called as pooling of fortuitous loss by transfer of such risk to insurers. You are not ready to take risk. You are shifting the risk to somebody. That is the traditional and very old and golden meaning of insurance. Transfer of such risk to somebody else. Whether you are doing mistake or not, you are doing a mistake. If anything goes wrong, you are transferring that risk to somebody. That is the insurer who agree to indemnify the insured for such loss. Indemnification, the loss. Very, very important thing in insurance. They will identify the loss. We'll see that one. So insurance, it is simply a method of transferring the loss. That is why recently, instead of calling the insurance, they are calling as risk management. Insurance is coming under the risk management. If you are ready to take a business risk, what will happen? Today, Georgian may run a very big shop. Suddenly, if fire comes in, how he has to recover that amount? Let us assume Georgian is running a very nice shop in Andaman Nicobar Islands. Georgian, whether you are having any property in Andaman Nicobar?
No, sir.
Why you are saying no? You have to say, I will buy. I expect that answer.
Will
What,
buy, sir.
Georgian?
Definitely buy, sir.
Good. That's what we expect. Let us assume Georgian purchased a nice land in Andaman Nicobar Islands and that too nearby that jail. Hmm? What is the opinion of the Georgian? Georgian purchased that land to run a small business which he is targeting a tourist. Anybody coming from India, of course, it is also in India. The tourists usually visit that jail. Once upon a time, it was used. Now it is like a showcase. So Georgian is targeting those people. So he purchased a small land and he constructed a temporary business unit there. Georgian is estimating, okay, tourists are regularly coming in case of Andaman Islands, in Port Blair, everything. There is no corona. So travelers will come there because since there is no corona there, if you want to enjoy your life, you have to go and enjoy there only. Hmm? He is expecting like Sam, Irfan, all these persons he is targeting Georgia. That is why he created a nice business unit in Andaman and everything went on well. The business started. Even when business is starting, the Georgian will identify the risk involved in that one. He has to ensure his business. Very important thing because he is going to be constructing everything in an island. That is the first risk. Natural risk. Sometimes, if there is any tsunami, it may enter into the Andaman Islands. So Georgian is having some worry. Of course, his girlfriend is not ready to give green signal to Georgian. She may not agree. Why you are going and going to set up a nice business place in Andaman? If tsunami comes, what we can do? Even then, Georgian is taking the risk. That is the first risk. Then the another risk. It depends upon this at present time, this COVID risk also. At present, there is no COVID in Andaman Islands. So Georgian is estimating that no COVID, so there won't be any loss because most of the travelers are coming. Definitely, they have to stay, and they have to get some nice food, nice fish from the Indian Ocean, everything. So Georgian is planning for a nice seafood for them. It depends upon the COVID. Suddenly, if any restrictions comes, what happened in India because of demonetization and next to COVID, passengers won't come. In such case, Georgian is facing the another risk. That is the second risk. Next risk only the government authorities. Of course, Andaman belongs to Indian. If Andaman tribals may enter into Georgian place and if they ransack the property of Georgian, what will happen? Riots. So that type of risks are there. Then only the risk of loss, maybe anything. So Georgian wish to reduce that one. In our example, Georgian is going to transfer this loss. How he can transfer this loss? How he can transfer this risk? He knows these are all the risk. Even though his girlfriend is not agreeing, Georgian is taking the risk and creating a nice business in Andaman because of the tourists. So how to reduce this risk? That is the transfer of the loss. If anything happens, by the time we should not be in a negative role. We have to continue our business. That is why we need the insurance. In our example, Georgian will identify a nice insurance company, and what he will do, he will insure his business unit there. And Georgian business is an insured, and insurer is the company. He may approach the one of the insurance company in Andaman Nicobar Islands. Of course, there is no big office for insurance company in Andaman Nicobar Islands. Since it is coming under the Indian territory, he will identify Oriental Insurance Company. Oriental Insurance Company, he will approach an Oriental Insurance Company will say that, don't worry, Georgian, we are ready to help you. You can get your policy from us. You can pay the premium of just 25,000 per year. We will insure your business. And in our example, Georgian business is the insured, not Georgian. In case of life insurance only, Georgian is treated as an insured person. Here, Georgian business is insured. Georgian may create a nice business name. hmm? Georgian Andaman. Likewise, you may create a nice name or Andaman Georgian. He will, that is the name of the business. So he will insure the Andaman Georgian only. Because Andaman Georgian is the name of the business. That is the insured. He never insured Georgian. Georgian is personal name. You must understand this thing. He will insure Andaman Georgian. Andaman Georgian is the insured because Andaman Georgian is the name of the business unit located in Port Blair. See that one? Insurer. Now Andaman is our in Andaman, Georgian is taking with Oriental Insurance Company. So this Oriental Insurance Company is considered as an insurer. Be clear. Insurer means Oriental Insurance Company because our Georgian is insuring Andaman Georgian with Oriental Insurance Company. You must know this basic because this is very, very essential in insurance. And whenever Georgian is entering into a contract with Oriental Insurance Company for Andaman Georgian, he will clearly mention two things. What type of loss Oriental Insurance Company will take over. We have discussed different type of laws. First, Georgian is entering into Andaman tsunami. Georgian will clearly mention, since I am going to have a business in Andaman Islands, first risk you have to take over my risk against tsunami. That is very important thing. Now Oriental Insurance Company is having a policy for tsunami also. They will estimate if Clara is there, they will use the Poisson distribution to estimate when tsunami will come to Andaman Nicobar Islands and how many business units will be affected. They will use the Poisson distribution to estimate that one. That is the role of analytics. Here, in our example, Georgian is creating, and this Andaman Georgian is the insured. They are identifying the risk of tsunami. That is the first loss. This is called coverage of loss. Risk covers. Cover means not ordinary cover we are using in the stationery. You must know the technical meaning. Risk covers. But in insurance language, they used to call it as only covers. The which loss it will cover? It will cover the loss of tsunami. Then it will cover the loss of riots in Andaman. It will cover the loss due to government policies. All these laws now you can go for any insurance company. It is possible. Every year, Georgian is paying 25,000 to Oriental Insurance Company. That is called the premium. How many years Georgian will pay? That is the tenure. Tenure here refers to the number of years the Georgian is paying premium to the Oriental Insurance Company. That is the tenure. Usually, Georgian will go for only 3 years because Andaman first is going to have a sample how the business is going on in Andaman. So, if 3 years, if it is successful, then Georgian will continue business in Andaman. Then, after 3 years, he will create in Lakshadweep another business unit in Lakshadweep. Then he will go globally. Then he will go to Maldives, all these islands. By the age of 70, Georgian will be the owner of different islands. He will be called as Islander Georgian. And that is quite possible. In insurance, you must know the meaning of insured, insurer, what is the cover of loss, then what is the meaning of tenure, what is the premium. Interval means annually whether you are paying premium or monthly or quarterly. Usually now annual premiums are good. So in insurance, the insured person. In our example, insured is the Georgian organization, that is Andaman Georgian. Insurer is the person who is providing the coverage. In our example, Oriental Insurance Company. Then the premium, the amount of 25,000 what Georgian is paying. Okay, that is the insurance. Okay, coming to the types of insurance. Usually we have discussed a few examples of Georgian, but there are a number of things are there. Now different laws are there. You can go for different type of laws. Life insurance. In our Sam versus Hussein example, it is life insurance. Usually in those days, still I remember, before getting married, they will ask for the life insurance also. But nowadays it is not like that. Life insurance coverage is must. Then property insurance. Georgian may go for the property insurance. What are all the assets he is having in Andaman Islands? Suddenly rain may come, tsunami may come, it may be damage. Property insurance, vehicle insurance is the very good example of property insurance. Sam vehicle cost around 5 lakh rupees, not 5 lakh, you won't buy, you will go for minimum 55 lakhs worth of bike. If anything happens wrong, Sam need not worry about his leg, but Sam will worry about his vehicle because he might have purchased for 55 lakhs. How much insurance company is ready to compensate that 55 lakhs? Sam is that is the property insurance. Then marine insurance, that is ocean going vessels. Very, very risky. Pirates are there. You might have seen in number of films how the pirates attacks are coming. Marine insurance is now joined hands with the pirates attack also. In our example, Georgian is having his business only in Andaman. Next business he is going to start in Lakshadweep, next in Maldives. So all our islands, he has to cross over by ship. In such case, he has to depend upon the marine insurance. He has to send goods from Kerala to Lakshadweep, that is Cochin to Lakshadweep, then Cochin to Port Blair, then Cochin to Maldives. When he used to send the goods, when he is buying raw materials and sending that one, he has to go for marine insurance. Then fire insurance. Fire insurance, it should happen because of accident, not because of incident. That will going to come. Fire insurance. If anything occurs, fire, what will be the loss? Liability insurance. Georgian may appoint a very good, nice person in Andaman because Georgian is sitting in Kerala and doing the business. But the person in Andaman, what he is telling, no business, nothing, even though it is gaining good, he will tell all the stories. And suddenly on one day, he will escape with huge lakhs and lakhs rupees. So what is the role of Georgian? That is liability insurance is there. Then guarantee, especially in case of the guarantee with regarding to the jewelry, even social insurance is now coming on. See that one. Different forms of insurance is now coming. Each and every insurance now we are having a nice analytics. As an analytics students, you are going to create that one. That is why in basic characteristics of insurance, we are having some basic principles of insurance. Basic principles of insurance you might have known. Aber me di fidi. Do you know that one? Have you studied the basic principles of insurance? Aber me di fidi. What does it mean? Most of you have studied BCom, BBA. What are all the basic principles of insurance? We used to call this one term called Abarmi Difidi, one jargon, commercial jargon. Abarmi Difidi. What does it mean? What happened? Whether you are listening, everybody is sleeping. Andrita,
Yes, sir, we are listening.
you are sleeping. Oh, Subhashri is answering. Good. Subhashri, what does it mean? Abarmi Difidi. First principle of insurance. Salim, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Immediately Google it and tell me what is the first principle of insurance. What you are, hmm, I think somebody will tell correctly now. Hmm,
Sir, at most good faith, sir.
very good. Sneha identified. Utmost good faith. That is the very, very important thing in insurance. You are having a contract between you and the insurance. In our example, Georgian is having a contract with Oriental Insurance for utmost good faith. Georgian is going to have a business in Andaman. The aim is to gain profit. It never means that he is going to destroy by fire and gain income from insurance company. It is not like that. If it is like that, means it is coming under the unsatisfactory level of utmost good faith. Why Georgian is going for Andaman Nicobar Islands and commencing a nice business nearby very old and golden jails? Because he wished to earn. His aim is to earn profit, only to run a business. His aim is not to commence a business. After 1 month, he may put up a fire and he will tell the Oriental Insurance Company, already fire happened, my business is moving towards loss, so that you have to repay. It is not his aim. In very golden films, you might have seen somebody might kill some other person for only for insurance, to get the insurance amount. And they may produce bogus insurance certificate, death certificate also. In such case, the first concept, the utmost good faith, is missing. So that is the very, very important principle of insurance. Whenever insurance is moving, it is assumed that utmost good faith. They are doing the business only. Insurance is the facilitating one, not the core one. That is the first and foremost principle in insurance. When you are preparing the analytics, you have to prove that is there any utmost good faith. If there is no utmost good faith, then there is no insurance. In our example, Georgian may insure Andaman Georgian because he is having an insurable interest. But there is another word you must know. Georgian is actually entering an agreement with Oriental Insurance Company, but Georgian is having a link with the Andaman Georgian. Andaman Georgian is the business name. Since this Andaman Georgian is owned by Georgian, Georgian is having insurable interest with Andaman Georgian because he is the owner. At the same time, Sam is not having insurable interest with Andaman Georgian because Sam is not the owner. Hussein is not the owner. Who is having the insurable interest? If you are running a business unit, the owner is the having the insurable interest. You must know when you want to pool the loss based upon the abermidi fedi or utmost good faith. Who is having the insurable interest? In analytics of insurance, it is very, very important thing. If Sam is coming forward and he is insuring Andaman Georgian, means as per our agreement, it is okay. But now there are number of practice to find out whether Sam is having insurable interest with Andaman Georgian. If he is not having, it is not considered as a contract. It is considered as a voidable one. I hope you might have studied in law. That is the first thing. In case of insurance, you must know the utmost good faith and having the insurable interest. Yes, father is having insurable interest with the son, and son can insure the father's life. He is having the insurable interest. Likewise, you can't have an insurable interest with friend. Both Sam is there, Jacob is there, Hussein is there, but Sam can't insure the Jacob. Why? Sam is not having insurable interest for Jacob. Sam is not having insurable interest with Hussein. Even though they are good friends, there is some sort of relationship essential. At the same time, employer-employee. Now KJC is having insurable interest with me. I am having insurable insurance with the KJC. Here we are having the relationship. So when you are preparing the analytics claims or analytics for an insurance, you must know, is there any insurable interest? A debtor is having an insurable interest with creditor and vice versa. That is why most of them are insuring different products. If you are having a pet, if you are a master, you are having a insurable interest with your pet dog. Subhashri may have in his home a tiger. Tiger means the name of the her dog. Whether Subhashri you are having any pet animal with you? What happened?
No, sir. I have only fish aquarium.
Fish aquarium. Okay. But you can't call the name for your fish. Huh? Okay. Nitya is having. What Nitya? What is your pet animal name? What happened? No idea.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
What is the name of your pet?
I have a dog. Her name is Callie.
Oh, Cali. Okay. So in our exam, it is making shower. And so in our exam, Nitya is having insurable interest with that Cali because Nitya is the owner. Nitya can insure the life of that Cali, her own pet. That is the meaning of insurable interest. If Cali enters into an agreement with Oriental Insurance, it is possible. Cali won't pay. Only Nitya will pay the premium. That you must know. Most of the insurance analytics are failure because they are unable to understand the meaning of insurable interest. Because insurance is based upon the concept of abermidi fidi, that is at most good faith. That is the first thing you must know. Then second thing, fortuitous loss. That is, if any loss happens, you should mitigate that one. Mitigation of loss. What is the meaning of mitigation of loss? It's nothing. It means that you tend to reduce the loss. Let us assume in case of Andaman, our Georgian business, that is Andaman Georgian, caught fire in one side place. So what Georgian will do? Georgian will dial to fire service and inform that immediately the fire is happening, so come and rescue. Georgian has to do. Then only Georgian will get the insurance claim. Otherwise, he won't get. Because Georgian wishes to mitigate the loss. It is not like a banking product. It is not like any other product. You have to mitigate. If fire occurs in Port Blair, that is in Andaman Georgian business, Georgian will immediately dial to Port Blair fire service. That's fire occurred, come and rescue her. Whether they are coming or not, Georgian has to inform. The fire service should come. They will prepare a report and say that we are here to rescue the Andaman Georgian. But unfortunately, we are able to safeguard only 80%, 20%. We are unable to safeguard. That is the mitigation. That is fortuitous loss. Then only Georgian is eligible for getting the claim. Otherwise, he can't get the claim. He can't say that fire happened, it destroyed everything, I need claim. Nobody will give claim because Andaman Georgian is not getting the fire service report. He fails to mitigate the loss. That is very important. That's what I told. If our Sam fell down, immediately somebody should go and rescue Sam. That means they are ready to mitigate. Why in our news we have discussed one of the insurance company created an app because they wish to mitigate the loss. Mitigation is very, very important. Then only we can go for risk transfer and indemnification. Indemnification means loss period. If fire happens in the Andaman, Jojin is losing the 1 month income. That is the indemnity period for Jojin. Because fire happened, it destroyed some of the nice stationery as well as interiors of the Jojin's restaurant. So it takes at least 1 month time to repaint, recoup the loss. This 1 month period is called indemnity period loss. These are the basic things you must know in the insurance. With this, we will stop the class. When you are coming to offline, we will discuss with the what are all the analytics used in the insurance. Okay. With this, we will stop the class. Now you can show your face for your attendance. And I expect you have to smile like Bill Gates, since this is the last online class. After that, we are going to say bye-bye to online class. We are ready to see you. Yeah, switch on your video. Shruti, Abhijit, Sam. Wow, Sam. Hussein. Hussein. Durga Prasad, Yasin. Good. Junaid is there. Yaneshwari, Snega is there. Shukrut is there. Good. Sam, where is Joseph?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Hussein?
He's there, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Should, yeah. Hussein came. Lena Deborah? What happened? Irfan? Andrita? Renita? Karthik? Balaji? What happened? Renita? Okay. You can see your camera now. Okay, good. We'll wind up the class online. Quickly, we will meet in personally, physical class. Okay. Bye. We will meet in 303 next week. Bye.
Hi, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Sam, your friend is in backside.
Jacob is
Jacob.
Yeah,
Jacob.
Jacob is there. What, Jacob? You are not going anywhere.
No, sir, here only.
Here only.
Yeah.
You know, we discussed some of the issues of you with Sam. He will tell the story.
Yes, sir. I will ask him.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Enjoy.
Bye, sir.
Bye.